Good morning. Welcome to another edition of Fishing with T. Today I am out on, what lake are we in? Western Branch in Virginia. As you can tell, I'm definitely not in Arizona right now because it's a lot of woodlands here and really beautiful waters we have here. But I'm out here today with the guy that inspired me to fish all along, my father, back in the back of the boat. And we're going to be doing some fishing today, probably doing some bluegilling and some crappie, maybe catch some pickerel, some perch. We're going to catch a variety of stuff today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please smash the like button and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Let's go have some fun. All right. Just got myself a fish here. What we got? Oh, yeah, bite. Oh, yeah. Nice little yellow perch.
Yellow perch.
First fish of the day. Finally got something. Not bad. Don't see many of those in Arizona, that's for sure. Cool little fish, though. All right, my dad's got one here. Come on. What we got? What we got? There we go. Another perch. Right? Yep. Another yellow perch. Good job. Got another one here. And yet another perch. A little smaller than the last one, but a perch nonetheless. Still fun. Pretty little fish, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Dad's got another one. There we go.
Bluegill.
Nice bluegill. Not bad. All right. We have here. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, there we go, Dad. It's a nice one. Crappie.
All right.
Got a crappie. Virginia style crappie right there. Way cool. All right, just got another one. Then we got another. Oh, we got a bluegill this time. Nice. It's a nicer one, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty good sized bluegill. All right. Not bad. All right, got a monster. Look out. Here he comes. Oh, yeah. Hoo-yah. Wow. Fun stuff. Nice little fish. Pretty little guy. All right, so Dad's got another one. What do you got there? Is that a crappie or a bluegill?
Bluegill, I think.
Kind of looks like it. Oh, yeah. It's a decent bluegill, huh?
All right.
Not bad at all. Boy, he's pretty.
Pretty.
Yeah, they had such vibrant colors, don't they?
Yeah.
Very nice. All right, just got another one. Just got another crappie. Nice. Not bad.
Not as big as Arizona, but
Hey,
it's a crappie.
they'll do.
There you go.
Still fun to catch. There we go. Yeah, see, another crappie.
Crappie.
They like this little thing.
Yeah.
Even out here.
Yeah.
How cool is that? Huh. Not very big, but a crappie nonetheless. Another crappie, right?
I think so.
What we got there, Dad? That's a nice one.
Crappie.
Yeah.
Not a lot, Dad.
And what'd you get him on? See?
Yeah.
They work, don't they?
They do.
These little tails work out here. These little gold ones work out here. How about that? All right, we got another one here. What do you got there? Another crappie?
I think
Dad's got another one here. Might be a bluegill, huh? Yeah, another perch. Nice. Nice little yellow perch. Cool. Having a pretty good day now. All right, just got another yellow perch. Not bad. Little dink, but still pretty fish. All right, Dad's got another one here. What we got? All right. Another bluegill. I think it's one of the first ones I've seen on that little tail.
Yeah.
Most of them been on the twister tails today. Pretty neat. If you look right there, those are gar swimming underneath the boat right there. I don't know if I can get them on the other side or not. But yeah, there's 3 gar swimming around. Where'd they go? That's pretty cool. It's a nice one. Boy, that's a nice bluegill. Look at that one. Look at that sucker.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Yes, sir. That's a nice one there, buddy.
That's a fatty right there, buddy.
Sure.
That is a nice big bluegill right there. Now that's a Virginia bluegill, right?
Yes, indeed.
That's nice. Oh, you just calm down there, Junior.
That's a nice fish.
How's that?
Yep. Pretty fish.
Yep. Beautiful. The heck? Come on, get up here. I'll perch with some seaweed. I just had my pole down for a second, or basically, but that's all right. Get all the crap off him here. There we go. Little perch. Nice. All right, Dad's got another one. What do you got there?
Bluegill.
All right, cool. Another pretty one, huh?
Yeah.
Not bad size.